Okay, I'm now going to use the shapes and rotate tools to draw the hour markers for the clock. So I move across to the shapes icon on the left, and if triangle is not visible, I drag along until I see triangle and I let go, and I have the triangle tool. It says locate first point of triangle in the instruction. Now on the guide it says 60 millimeters from the center, so if I start down at the bottom and then I move up until it's moved a distance of 60, I can then locate my triangle there. Okay, so I'm going to draw by clicking, dragging, clicking again, and then dragging, and then clicking again. So what I have is a triangle with a base of 1 centimeter and a height of 1 centimeter. Now if the location is too close to the edge of the clock, you can select the whole circle and then use the middle drag handle to drag it down a bit. Now if I want it to be exactly 60 from there, I can always draw a line, click and then drag until it says 60, and then click again. If you look on the bottom of the page, you will see it says relative distance 60 and distance 60. So that tells me I've drawn my triangle 60 from the center. I can also use the dimension tool to check. Anyway, now that I've got my shape, what I want to do is replicate that 12 times. So I select it using the select arrow. If you missed that, just click on the select arrow, drag and select. It's now highlighted in pink. Then I come down to the transform menu. I click on transform and I go along to rotate the selected object and then click. Now it asks me what angle of rotation, and it's saying 30 degrees and repeat 11 times. So I select repeat because I want to repeat that shape 11 times at an angle of 30 degrees. Now if I have 12 times 30, that gives me 360. It gives me a full set of shapes. So I click OK, and then it says locate the center of rotation. So I click the center of the circle. Then it draws my markers automatically.